Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. There's a new show on the blog called The Four of Us. Such an interesting show, and Gay will be doing reviews on the show for each and every episode. So this show is about four siblings: Ubusani, Ubobi, Ubanzi, and Ubalungile. There's four of them. And there are also rivalries zabo. There's four of them nabo. Rivalries zabo ke ngumalume wabo, which is uPapi, igama likaMalume nguPapi, umfazi wakhona nguVera, and they have a daughter called Ubasi and a son called Ukopang. So when this show starts with Ubusani Paris. Ubusani is a daughter yale family, like the Dlomo family. She's in Paris enjoying herself, and then she receives a call from brother yakendala, uBobby. Echiba, hey, girl, come back home. So now come back home njani, like I'm still enjoying my vacation, ndizothini apha. Athi ubaba ushonile. So it starts with these siblings losing utata wabo. So Nyanke, she returns home, ubekha amalungiselelo funeral, but then angabizwa umalume for the funeral. Apparently yena nobhuti wakhe bebengavani nje, bengahlangani. Ade uBasani athumele i-protection order yoba bangaze balibeke nje pha emsingcwabeni. So umalume lo uPapi noBasani, idaughter yakhe, bangotsotsi abathile, bahijack imoto and stuff. And I think that's why ebengavani nebrother yakhe. Brother yakhe ngathi bine-legit business. He has like i-business yemoto, uthengisa imoto, uyazilungisa and stuff. So aqoma umalume ba there's no way uBasani usiqhala kakubi wayezade asibizele amapolisa. In fact, ndizoya pha. I am going there. I am going to my brother's funeral. So afike nje ke kube chaos. Afuna uyothetha phana kube ilondo, but uBasani ababizela amapolisa ayobakhupha pha. So there's that nje, bakho idrama nje saqala. Then kubekho uBobby. uBobby ke ngunyana omdala, but ngaba older son, but bangekho serious. Oyena umuntu obeserious ngebusiness eclose notata wakhe nguBasani. So kufundwe will ke ngoku, and as uBasani becinga like she was being groomed to take over a business once utata retire or if anything happens. But then babonisa video, in fact, not even like a will paper. So that's what Tatabo recorded a video while he was in hospital on his deathbed, while he is leaving the business. Kubobi, the first son, everything will be managed by him. Yo, apambani Basani. But how come? Like Ubaba was grooming me for this position. How can he give it to Ubobi? Bobby knows nothing about the business. I'm the one who knows the ins and outs of the business. So how come? How is this possible? So yo abenomsindo ke, like she grabs, I don't know lenda grab, but it was something sharp, abeti TV and iphasa lakhe nje. So abanye younger sister uBalungile is closer to uBobby, yena bevuya ba kuphethe inja yami, so everything is gonna go well for them. Then yena uBanzi is closer with uBasani. uBanzi ubrother ozithuleleyo, akana drama as much, yena ulandela nje imiyalelo kaBasani. So nyani ke uBobby takes over, afika e-dealership abesisho okay, now he's in charge. But ke wona nguBobby eyolanda umalume, lo malume engafuna umntatabo, ayoxolisa ba he's sorry about everything that happened phana kwi-funeral. uBasani had no right ba amvimbe aba angayo attend i-funeral kabrother wakhe. In fact, ufuna azojoyina i-business, ufuna umenza i-head of security pha eDlomo Motors. Yo, then uBasani finds out about this. Yo abenomsindo ba how can you bring in the enemy? You know our father ebengamfuni lo up, so why are you bringing him? Like, why are you doing this nje usafika? But uBobby engafuna over. So umalume on his first day nyani ke afike qhuba igusheshe, xase ke igusheshe le babeyithanda with his brother kudala. So ke uzobonisa uBobby bayo, look at this car, ntonto mna nebrother yam sasiyithanda blah blah blah. But uBasani abiza uBanzi athi, you know what, I'm sure la moto yebiwe, like yambo jonga even number yayo, jonga nje if everything checks out undithumelele. I have a friend andazi ba traffic department or something, but she has a friend azoyithumelela le information just to verify. Nyani ayithumelele friend, then it shows ba nyani azimethe izinto la moto ibiwe. So bahambe for a spin uBobby nomalume. Nyani, while they are going for a spin, uBasani calls the police. Hey, I have information about imoto kanje nakanje yebiwe. So they get stopped endleleni. Hey guys, phumani kule moto yebiwe. Nyani bayobanja. But then uBasani goes to check phala moto kanti there was license ne-IDs zabantu babepha. So afumane address yaba bantu babebele moto kuyo, then aye pha ayobacenga bazobanikeza 50k alungise kwala moto nonto. They should go to the police station basho ba there's a misunderstanding ayibiwanga le moto. Then they agree nabo baye police station, and then that's how they got released. Ulendoza uBobby nomalume. But then upapi is like, I know this is Basani's doing, so when go talk to your sister wants you behind bars. You see, it's still your first week, but say for no banj, yo, he goes home. Ayushba, how can you do this to me? Like, you put me behind bars, bruh. Like, it's that deep. Then that, you know what? You all should leave. Ubanzi no Basani must leave because he's the head of the family. He owns Nalendru. So everyone must be out. Oh, but Basani cries with Akoli's Ashma. No, I was just scared. I feel like we're going to lose everything our father has built all these years. But I didn't mean to put you behind bars like Ben Balaki Sanjali daughter that our father never wanted anything to do with. But again, no Pope, like it's just the four of them now. They should stick together. Bangabi bedibanisa nabanye abantu ebebengavani notata wabo. Like, it doesn't make sense ke naye bazozisa abantu bengavani notata yakhe. Why now? So afonela umalume anxeba, hey bra, angisakufuni phaa dealership, it's over. Yo, umalume ke wakabe nomsindo ebethetha nobazi ba, you know what, this has uBasani written all over it. So I feel like eyona problem yam uBasani, she's in my way, and the only way endizawukwazi ufumana everything that belongs to me is if ndigudluze uBasani. So uBasani has to cisha. So ngoku uBasi is like, no dad, that's too deep. Like, njani, you wanna cisha your own blood? Nah, that's not the things we do, Tina. So abengathi uvile wethu upapi bana, it's fine my baby, I'm gonna let it go, blah blah blah. But no, he goes behind Basi's back ayohirisha abantu nyani to cisha uBusani engayazi uGerl. So now kukho nalo Balungile ungaviyo gqithi. Balungile uthanda utywala, akekho, typical last born nje, and now ufuna ujala nomfana osebenza phaa kwi-dealership yakokwabo, but ubanzi akafuni uyiva loo nto. So he gets into a fight with lo mfana who is uNtando, and isister kaNtando finds out about this. Sister kaNtando nguNdumi. So uNdumi finds out about that, ahamba e-dealership to confront ubanzi, but afike enoBobby. Oh, hayi, uBobby is taken ke ngoku nguNdumi, he's in love, forgetting uba une-girlfriend ahlala nayo phaa endlini, uLethabo, that he's been with for 16 years. Fat and set nje, and he has no intentions of marrying her. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna end it for today. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.